What's up, Master Designers? Tonight we're gonna draw Angelic Moro from Dragon Ball Super. Or at least I say beyond Dragon Ball Super. If you must know, Angelic Moro is it's a fusion of Moro and Maris, angel in training. And during the Time Patrol, Galactic Patrol arc, Moro absorbed Maris to take on this form, but didn't stand a chance because he was beaten by Goku when he was taken on the form of autonomous Ultra Instinct. Let's just say that honestly, Moro didn't stand a chance against him, but Goku was kind enough to offer him a Senzu Bean. One of the special traits about Angelic Moro, like I should have mentioned in the previous episode when I first drew Moro, was when he had this ability to become one. His body fused into the soil and became one with the planet himself, forming Planet Moro. And wow, seeing that was just devastating. He drained all the energy from all the citizens and all the living beings on that planet. Lucky Vegeta was able to transfer his power into reverse. And transferred all the energy back to all those citizens. And he did it all in his Super Saiyan Royal Blue form. And much like that, Goku became Ultra Instinct once again and destroyed Angelic Moro. I'll bet after that, they managed to use the Super Dragon Balls, the regular Dragon Balls, to bring Maris back to life. Go. Here's his 6-pack of abs. He used to be an old goat, but now that he's become one and turned into Angelic Moro, he's now invincible. Here's his golden belt. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Attention in the atmosphere.
changes his pants.
There's a wall that's towering over me. If I try to climb it, will I succeed? I find the truth deep inside. Life is in my head, so no need to pray. 'Cause I'm ready now for the judgment day. It's gonna be mine to claim. No one else gets to decide. 'Cause the future's only made for you and I.
Huh. What, no wings on his back? Seriously? And done. There he is, angelic Moro. Huh. He looks like what he used to be when he was younger. I'm starting to think that this guy's really strong. After the Moro arc comes the Murno arc. Yeah, that's what I've heard. Anyways, that's how you draw Moro. Please like, remark, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next. All credit for this episode goes out to Unreal at Gaming and the creators of Dragon Ball Super. Alexa, who are the creators of Dragon Ball Super?
Dragon Ball Super was directed by Hideki Hiroshima, Kazuya Karasawa, Kimitoshi Kioka, Koji Ogawa, Masato Mikami, Masato Mitsuka, Morio Hitano, and Takahiro Imamura. It was produced by Mutsumi Kido, Satoru Takami, and Atsushi Kido, and it was written by Akira Toriyama, Atsuhiro Tomioka, Hiroshi Yamaguchi, King Ryu, Toshio Yoshitaka, and Yukinori Fukushima.
I can't wait to see them again. Hope they have another season.